Good afternoon, everybody. This is NYNJPA Weather. Of course, your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. I don't normally break into live videos on Twitter and on YouTube unless there's something significant developing. And what I'm starting to see now on various observations and various model guidance would certainly qualify for concern. And concern for tonight, especially around midnight for much of New Jersey, the Philadelphia Metro, New York City Metro. So I've been watching a lot of the data here, and what's catching my eye with the water vapor here is, well, this upper level low is very powerful. We have a positively tilted trough, and we're starting to see enhancement here on the eastern side of that upper level low on the divergent and diffluent part of that upper level low. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, this is all a sign that our 850 millibar jet, sometimes called a low level jet, begins to organize. And so when I take a look at this data here, this feature right here is what we're watching. And the environment ahead of it suggests steady strengthening. And you combine this factor, which is going to increase vertical wind shear as opposed to what's happening here at 250 millibars, it opens up the chance for turning thunderstorms. You throw that in with the precipitable water values already skyrocketing, and you open up the potential for some very impressive severe thunderstorms and the potential for flash flooding tonight. And my concern is not so much the intensity of the storms. The storms are going to be intense. The issue at hand is that this is going to be developing late at night when a lot of people are already sleeping and warnings might be missed because you're out cold sleeping. So use caution tonight. Okay, keep your phone nearby you if you don't already by your bedside in case a severe thunderstorm warning, or more importantly, a tornado warning is issued. We're starting to see support here for increasing vertical wind shear in the atmosphere. I already showed you the precipitable water values, and you can see the Cape is just starting to rise. It'll really start to skyrocket once that warm front pushes north of the region. So we're already seeing some impressive thunderstorms down here in the southern mid-Atlantic. This whole area will continue to lift to the northeast and head towards us. And while it does so, it'll be interacting with an enhanced and intensifying 850 millibar jet, which enhances the vertical wind shear. So to give you an idea what that looks like, let's pull up the HRR, and you can see the thunderstorms begin to break out after 8 o'clock tonight over our region. They continue to lift forward, and not everyone's going to get severe thunderstorms, but those that do, these storms look like they're going to be pretty powerful, and they're going to be capable of producing very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, possibly some hail, wind gusts easily over 55 miles per hour, and yes, there is that isolated tornado threat. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that as it lifts through tonight, starting at 8 p.m., marching its way through around midnight, and continue to lift through by early tomorrow morning. So definitely be prepared. We'll have more updates as we go on through the evening. We'll have the text updates as we normally do, getting ready to come out. But I just want you to be prepared for this scenario and just take the necessary precautions. Make sure you know where to go if there is a tornado. If you don't know, the best place to go is your bathroom. That's where it's going to be most enforced. Or if you already have a tornado shelter or something of that nature, definitely check that out. So that's it for now. I will continue to do updates through the evening. As always, stay safe out there.